Sana Commerce is now integrated with MailChimp, an email marketing solution which allows you to send emails, automated messages, and marketing campaigns to the target audience based on the customer's behavior, preferences, and sales order history, which is stored in your ERP system. MailChimp for Sana is available as an add-on which can be easily installed for your Sana Commerce solution. To install the MailChimp add-on, you just need to copy the files from the bin folder of the MailChimp add-on package to the bin folder of the Sana Commerce frontend. Then, copy the customer segment selection and segmentation field selection files from the utility folder of the MailChimp add-on package to the editor templates directory of the Sana Commerce frontend. And you also need to copy the admin MailChimp expert.js file from the utility folder of the MailChimp add-on package to the admin directory of the Sana Commerce frontend. Well, that's it. If you do this, the MailChimp add-on will be installed and you should be able to see the MailChimp scheduled task in Sana admin. So here you can set up MailChimp and connect Sana to the MailChimp email service provider. Before you can connect Sana to MailChimp, you need to create a MailChimp account. If you don't have the MailChimp account, you can simply click Sign Up Free on the MailChimp website and enter the required information. When the MailChimp account is created, click on your profile name and then Account Extras API Keys. Find the API key. If the API key is not present, you should create it. This API key is needed to connect Sana to your MailChimp account. You need to copy this API key from your MailChimp account and enter it in the MailChimp configuration section in Sana admin. Well, now you can continue configuring the MailChimp add-on. As any other scheduled task in Sana admin, you can set up whether the MailChimp task should run automatically according to the configured schedule or it should run only manually when it is needed. Then enter the email address of your company. This is the email that is used for your MailChimp account. I have already entered the API key of my MailChimp account. The MailChimp Pro subscription option should be enabled only if you use the MailChimp Pro plan. If you use the MailChimp free plan, then this option should be disabled. If you enable the option Create Default Segments Templates, 3 default segments will be created in the MailChimp list. These are the segments containing the customers with the open cart items, high revenue customers, and inactive customers from your database. Then you need to enter your MailChimp account contact information, like the name and address information of your company. Next, enter the permission reminder. This is the reason for getting the email which you sent to your subscribers. A permission reminder makes it clear in your campaign where your recipients signed up for the list. It's good to include the reminder as a refresher for your subscribers. MailChimp automatically inserts the permission reminder into all built-in email templates. And the last thing that you should do is to set up which customers and customers' data should be imported to MailChimp. Select a customer segment which will fetch your customers based on the filter expressions configured in the selected customer segment. The customers which satisfy the filter criteria set in the selected customer segment will be imported from your ERP system into MailChimp. Customer segments are managed in Sana admin under the Customers menu item. Customer segments are used to divide a target market into subsets of customers that are similar in specific ways. For example, customers from a certain country or those customers who are essential for your business prosperity. Using customer segments in Sana admin, you can also create customer-specific content, which will be shown in the web store only to certain customers. For more information about customer segments, you can watch another video tutorial in our video gallery. Let's go back to MailChimp configuration. So here you also need to add fields which are used to import customers' data to MailChimp. There are different sources of data which can be used to import customers' data to MailChimp. For example, customers' data from ERP and customer sales statistics. To add segmentation fields, start typing the name of the field, or simply put the mouse cursor to the segmentation fields box to see the list of all available fields. If the MailChimp integration task is configured and Sana is connected to your MailChimp account, you can run the task. All customers which satisfy the filter criteria set in the selected customer segment with the information based on the added segmentation fields will be imported from your ERP system into MailChimp. When the MailChimp integration task is executed, you can access your MailChimp account where you will be able to see all customers which were automatically imported from the database to your MailChimp account. All customers also contain the information that you set up to import in the MailChimp integration task using segmentation fields. From here on, you can start building your campaigns in MailChimp. Personalize your content and send the right news and offers to the right people. Using MailChimp, you can keep your customers up to date about different news or promotional campaigns, their purchases, or new products they might like. Based on the data from your ERP system, you can show your most profitable customers how deeply you appreciate their business and confidence by sending them personalized emails via MailChimp. Sana integrated with MailChimp helps you keep in touch with your customers and easily incorporate your customers' purchase activity into your email marketing campaign.